This is your host, Noor Ali, right IT tools for right job. So, wall to hub crossover. Knowing the color code of any cable. If you've been a Telecom 1, Telecom 2, or Telecom 3, network, telephone, cable installer. One who carries the 100 pair cable in the back, put it on a wheel in a pool, you drag it, you push it, you pull it, go over the ceiling, go over the conduit. Have you done that? Do you know what I'm talking about? Done it and been there. That's why I'm mentioning it today. Wall to hub crossover cable. Colors make the whole difference. See? White, orange, orange, white, green, green, white, blue, blue, white, brown, brown, white, brown. Network plus, A plus, also server plus possibility. Maybe not in security plus, but A plus, network plus, and server plus. And your other OEM certification. And obviously, if you're going to be in the field. This is your host, Noor Ali, right IT tools for right job.